Well, part 3 is we done missed the exciting part of the housing removal. Dad got that off last night. There's the steering post that I took off, but Dad had the exciting part of getting this TA and transmission housing wrestled off by itself. Apparently it's a little good time getting it separated from the rear part of the tractor. Of course, there's the shaft you got to slide off of. The spline section here has to go into this gear in the front right here, which is driven off the PTO shaft that we are replacing. And the info I've read and seen so far, that's what's actually turning the MCV valve off to the right now is the right hand side of this housing, but it's really on the left sitting in the tractor. But so I think I'm gonna do some cleanup on this and maybe just play with my new Milwaukee diver grinder some and hang out a little while. Little 966 update. Got the front half painted. That's where we was headed the other day when we were leaving the heated shop next door. Coming over here, because it's a little easier to paint over here. Not so much worried about the paint dust, paint on the floor. But I been working on changing the lights to LED from the old fluorescent that wants to work half the time. But, oh, tripping over the alternator. So, Dad's been painting away. Got some more second coating to do up here around the injectors and all. A little light in some areas, but we'll get it. These are not the hoses we're going to use. We're painting over the old ones we'll replace. Fuel return's going to get replaced to a black hose, of course, brand new. Still got to get the front wheels done after they get cleaned up and sanded.